In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone an existing campaign that you've already built in SalesPype. Let's take a look at an example. So here's a campaign that we've previously built out in SalesPype. And let's just assume that we think this campaign's fantastic. We love the sequence and the messaging, and we want to create a similar campaign, but we don't want to start from scratch all over again. So what you need to do is take a look at your campaign here, and then go over to this button right here that says copy. And this is going to allow you to copy or essentially clone the campaign that you already built out. So I'm going to hit copy. And now what it did is it took that existing campaign and cloned it here for us. So it created all those same text messages and emails and voicemails and put it in the same sequence. So it's just a straight up clone here for us. All you would need to do is just adjust your campaign name, hit start in this campaign, and you are good to go. So I highly recommend using this feature if you want to clone an existing campaign. Take care.